to your web bar and type in free Forex, and that's F-O-R-E-X fix.tk, and it's totally free, totally safe, antivirus free. Check it out. Information is great. Okay, now on to the lesson. Today what I want to show you is the best time frame to trade. Now people say, well, how could that be? And we have the monthly, we have the weekly, we have the daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15, 5, and all the way down to 1 minute charts. And now, well, let's explain these time charts. What do they represent? They represent the bars that you see on the chart in front of you. So say here, this is a daily chart. Each bar represents 24 hours, one full day. So if I were to click the 4 hour chart, each bar represents 4 hours. So for this long bar here would be another 4 hours. This would be 8 hours. This one here would be 12 hours. This little small bar, 16 hours. So I would suggest for people out there when you're trading, if you're looking to, because most people like to maybe trade, say, take their trades in the morning and somewhere in the evening they're looking to close out, or somewhere before they go to sleep. They don't want the money lingering overnight. Then I would suggest the 4 hour time frame. And why do I say that? Normally those trades are, in my experience, if you're catching, like say right here, if you were to get in here, red arrow, red bar going down, and then you check down here, super filter, here's another red indicator, really strong indicator, letting you know, red, red, there you go now. Nevertheless, count, you're looking at 4 hours, 8 hours, about 12 hours right here, meaning that if you were to, if you were to have, say, taken this trade at 9 p.m., you'd be looking at a 9 a.m. closeout. And most people don't want their money flowing overnight. But if you were to take a 9 a.m., you know, you'd be looking around, somewhere around here would be around 9 p.m., somewhere around your closeout. So that's just one example of many. So just want to explain that to you traders out there, whether you're newbies or experienced. You need to know what time frame you need to trade according to the types of trades that you're trying to make. And you need to also understand that when you're trading in smaller time frames, 15-minute time frames, you need to be extremely careful. And the reason why is because the larger time frames sort of override the smaller time frames. So now it's okay to maybe use, see, basically, in my opinion, the daily time chart is, which is right here, the daily time chart is the most accurate time chart. And I would say a way to use a combination of small and large time frames would be to first go to a daily time chart and make sure you catch something out. Here's a great one here. You got your red arrow, red going down, continuing down, you look down here, red. A lot of room in between here before the next actual resistance. So, I'm sorry, this is support. So here you go. Say if you were here to take a 15-minute, as you can see, this one's pointing upward, set up, but this is what I would consider to be a false signal, because clearly on the daily we are in an extremely heavy downtrend. Now, for more information, what you should do is go over to freeforexfix.tk. They only allow me a certain amount of time, but what you can do is check out the channel and subscribe, and you'll learn more lessons, more detailed lessons about how to trade and how to use indicators. Basically everything that has to do with the MT4 platform, because there's a lot to it, and expert advisors also. So stay tuned. Have a great trading day if you're trading, and if you're learning how to trade, keep learning. If you have that burning desire to continuously do this like I do, and those of you who do, you know what I mean. You know, once you got this started, regardless, win, lose, or draw, you know this is for you and you're not going to stop. If that's the case, you really need to subscribe to the channel, get all the information you can, and happy trading. Talk to you later.